Today we'll be making a dish from my grandma Julie's recipe book. It is a tuna noodle casserole. The ingredients you'll need are 8 ounces of noodles. I'm using egg noodles, 1 can of tuna albacore, half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, half a cup of milk, and 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. On the instructions, in a saucepan, combine mayonnaise, onion powder, soup, milk, and cheese. Heat and stir. Then you will want to boil and drain noodles. Combine noodles, tuna, and soup mixture in casserole dish. Add more grated cheese on top. Bake at 450 for about 20 minutes. I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Alright, so we'll get the heat going. We'll put it on a low temperature when we first add everything. We'll add the cup of milk. One tablespoon of onion powder. Can of cream of mushroom soup. And if you don't like mushrooms, you'll still like this recipe. My brother would not eat anything at all if it had mushrooms in it, near it, or around it. He had no idea it had mushrooms in it. He loved it until my grandma told him. And then he threw a fit. So let's add some heat. Get this kind of stirred up a little bit. We'll add some cheese and tuna in just a second. Add this nice, delicious albacore. And we'll mix it all in. This smells amazing already. Now that our water's boiling, we want to add the noodles. Once those are done, we'll drain them and add them to the mixture. Alright, once the noodles are done boiling and you drain them, you want to add them to the casserole dish. Lost one. Not too bad. Then we'll take our mixture. Pour it over. I'm so excited for this dish. Get it all kind of mixed around in there. You want it all mixed together. Once you have it all nice and mixed together, we're going to add the rest of the cheese. Make a nice little cheese blanket. Never go wrong with cheese. Once you have it all together, you put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 450, and we'll check on it back in a second. So we just pulled it out of the oven. What is better than a homemade dish fresh out of the oven? You can't get this kind of quality food at any restaurant. Listen to it sizzle. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I am. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you with the next dish.